This is Barista Machine. What's your favorite latte art?
My favorite latte are Unicorn.
Okay.
So I will show you. I hope you like this one. So first I pull espresso. When you steam for Unicorn, not need too much thick milk, like a creamy texture, and not too hot also. So this creamy texture help for this latte art. Mix. Pour slowly, mix nicely. When you feel 50% cup is full, start first recipe. Second one. Third. Fourth one. Fifth. Back leg 1, 2, front leg, second one, then I make neck and face, and moon also. So this is my unicorn.
Okay, that's a unicorn from Barista Machine.
I hope you like this.